Jai Shri Ram, I'll tell you a story. It's been quite some time since I told you a story. Well, one day Yamraj sent one of his Doot, Devdoot. Okay, Devdoot, he's not Yamdoot. Actually, Vishnu transferred some of his staff because Yamraj was having a lot of workload. Vishnu sent a couple of them. So they are not Yamdoot actually, they are Devdoot. So Yamraj sent this Devdoot to pick up the Atma of one lady. This fellow went down. He saw that the lady was very sick and she had three daughters who were very young, and her husband also died. So if he picks up the Atma, then these three children will be orphaned. So he felt great pity, compassion, and he came back to Yamraj without taking the Atma, and he told Yamraj, sir, you should have some compassion. Poor lady, if she dies, what will happen to the children? Then Yamraj thundered, अरे तू నువ్వు जो जीने मरण का जीवन मरण का डिसीजन लेता है उससे भी बड़ा ज्ञानी हो गया तू. अरे तूने इतना बड़ा पाप किया, तेरे को मनुष्य जन्म लेना पड़ेगा, जा. तो बोलता नहीं 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 साहब, आप जो भी पनिशमेंट लेंगे ले लूँगा, पर कुछ तो विमोचन बताओ. तो उसने यमराज ने बोला कि भाई, इफ़ यू कैन लाफ एट योर स्टूपिडिटी फॉर 3 times, वी विल रिलीज यू, आई विल रिलीज यू. So he went back. He was born as a poor man lying on the road. Then there was another man who was walking by the road. You know that good Samaritan story. So this man was a poor cobbler who was going to the market to buy some warm clothes for his children and wife. So he saw this man lying there. He fed him, took care of him, and he gave him some warm clothes. And all the money meant for his wife and kids was spent on this poor man. And he had no house, so this fellow took him to his own house. So as soon as he stepped into this house, the woman, she started scolding, "Arey, the money which was meant for me and my children, you have spent on this fellow." And she was shouting. This man laughed. The cobbler asked, "Why are you laughing?" He said, "No, I will not tell you now." Anyway, and then after some time, he learnt the trade of the cobbler, and he started making chappals which are so good that finally the cobbler became very famous. And the king sent a little leather of some exquisite animal to be shaped into shoes, and he was given the shoes, and he was told specifically not to make chappals, because in that country chappals were used only for a dead body, only shoes. So this fellow actually made chappal, and the cobbler got very angry, started thrashing that fellow. He said, yaar, I gave you so much house and everything to stay, and finally you are getting us killed. King ka order tu violate kar raha hai. So he laughed again after receiving a thrashing, and the king's servant came. And the king's servant, now another fellow came and he said, "Sir, I hope you did not make shoes." Initially the order was make shoes. Now the king's servant said, "No, I hope you didn't make